Hello everyone, this is Zukhruf from Infosharing360.com. Okay, so at times it is difficult to select a paragraph or highlight it, especially if it's a lengthy one and it's spread over several pages. I'm going to create a scenario today where we have two paragraphs, each of 100 sentences, and we have to select first paragraph within a second. Let's create this scenario. I'll use the random command to create two paragraphs, each of 100 sentences. See, paragraphs are created automatically with 100 sentences each. Now, instead of using this option to scroll and select or highlight the paragraph, which is going to take time, and I have no idea where this paragraph actually ends. So I'll click here thrice, and first paragraph will be selected automatically. So that's how it's done. That was the purpose of this video. Thank you for watching this video.